Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make this pen holder with 3D pen. All you need is 3D pen and filaments. I am taking light yellow for base and mustard yellow for the walls. Come on, grab the stuff and get started. So here I am making the base of the holder. We'll make a random design. There is no such pattern I am going to follow. Go with the flow. If you are with me with this, don't forget to keep the tissue with you, as when you pause the pen, filament keeps coming out due to the heat. Then you have to wipe it out, the extra one, before continuing. So now it's time to make the wall of the holder. I will prepare in 3 parts and then combine them all. Tapping the filament to settle down to a certain shape, as it is very delicate to form its own shape. Sometimes it's very difficult to control. This is the second part I am making here. Now after completing the parts, it's time to join them. Just mold a little to align with the shape of the base and start joining the edges with each other. Then with the base also. I have binded the 2 sides temporarily with the plastic wire, which comes free when you order some stuff for wire. I am doing this to have a better control over it for filling with the filament. It is an optional thing to do. Cut down the pointed filaments, otherwise you will get a scratch. Adjust the balance by creating the height with the filament. Ta-da! It's done. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.